friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Yummy Fills Pie. So this is a chocolate covered pie from Sunfeast Dark Fantasy. So apart from Sunfeast, the first one to get chocolate covered pies to India was Lotto Choco Pie, and those were the first times I had tasted the choco pie. And today when I was in the supermarket, I found these from Sunfeast, which is an Indian brand from ITC, and they have come up with the Yummy Fills Pie. So I can't wait to try these out and directly compare them to the Lotto Choco Pie, which I love. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged in a nice looking box here, cardboard box, which makes it look very premium. The whole look of the box is giving a premium vibe of it. Right here is the ITC branding, and then we have the Sunfeast branding here, and the name of the product is Dark Fantasy Yummy Fills Pie. So here is the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy branding, and the Yummy Fills Pie is written here, which is the name of the product. It's a deliciously soft choco treat, is what is mentioned, and individual packs are inside, so that's a good thing. So this is the outer box, and inside we have individually packed choco pies, like we get in the Lotto Choco Pie as well. Moving on to the side, we can see the similar branding here. There's Sunfeast Dark Fantasy branding here, and the Yummy Fills Pie here, along with the illustration of the pie here. We have a similar thing on all four sides of the box. Right. Moving on to the back of the box, on the back side, here right on top you can see it's a 100% vegetarian product. The vegetarian symbol is here. The net weight of the product is 253 grams. So the net weight is 253 grams, and the MRP of the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Yummy Fills Pie is rupees 140. So it is very competitively priced here. Moving on, below they have given the ingredients of the Choco Fill Pies, and which is refined wheat flour, but maida, choco covering, and then there's sugar, liquid glucose, refined palmolene, humectant, invert syrup, milk solids, cake gel, etc, etc. Many ingredients are there. It contains permitted synthetic food colors, so there are no nature identical colors, but synthetic food colors are used, and added flavors, nature flavors and natural flavoring substances, and nature identical flavoring substances. Allergen warning: contains wheat, milk solid, soya and sulfites. Temperature and humidity changes may lead to development of a thin white layer of fat sugar on the surface. This does not affect the fitness for consumption. Right. So here are the nutrition facts mentioned of the product, and that's all the information which is available on the back side that we need to know about the product on the back of the cardboard box here. So now let's quickly go and unbox the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Yummy Fills Pie. So here we are just going to open this box up. Here we go. So first of all let's look how many choco fills do we get in it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'll just keep it 9, 10 and 11. So we have a total of 11 choco pies that have come in the box. And let's quickly look at the inner packaging, like the individual packaging of the choco pie that has come. So this is the individual packaging. It comes in a lightish purplish pink color here, and it has the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy branding and the Yummy Fills Pie branding here. The similar thing written on the outer box is here. On the back side of it we can see the ingredients mentioned, the best before date mentioned. So yeah, the best before date is around 9 months. So they are providing 9 months of shelf life. These products have a 9 months of shelf life, and each Yummy Fields unit is 23 grams in weight. And then the ingredients are mentioned on it. So let's quickly open the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Yummy Fields. So here it goes. So guys, here is the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Yummy Fields. It has chocolate all over it, smooth finish of chocolate, you all can see that. And then let's break it open to see what is inside it. So because on the cover they have shown some white cream inside, but there is something yellowish cream inside it. So let's compare what we see on the packet and what we have here. So I don't see the white cream as of what has been shown here. It seems like some yellow cream is there inside. Let's see, let's open it more, like let's break it into half and see what do we have inside. So here there's some cream, yellowish cream in it. We don't know what cream that is, but there's some yellowish cream in it. Then there are 2 layers of cake, up and down this layer of cake, and then it's dipped in chocolate. So guys, here goes a taste of the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Yummy Fields pie. So here it goes. That's an amazing taste. Taste is good. So basically from the taste what I can feel is there's sponge cake. There are 2 layers of sponge cake. There's some cream, I think condensed milk cream inside in the middle, and then there's a layer of chocolate covering it. Very yummy in taste. I like the taste of it. But I was hoping for some vanilla cream in the middle, like they are shown here on the packet. You can see there's some vanilla cream here. I was expecting some vanilla cream, but when we opened it and we saw there wasn't any cream inside. There was some yellow color thing. We don't know which cream that is. But definitely there was no vanilla cream in that. But nonetheless, the taste is amazing. So overall, I'll rate the Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Yummy Fields pie 5 on 5 for the amazing taste, for the amazing texture of the whole pie that is there, for the individual packaging that they have done, which keeps it fresh, and the outer box itself, which gives it such a premium look. The outer box itself is giving it such a premium look. So yeah, overall I would rate it a 5 on 5. Definitely, it's an amazing product from Sunfeast Choco Fields, Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Yummy Fields pie. I don't know why Choco Fields is always coming in my mouth. So yeah, Yummy Fields pie. So it's a delicious product. Must try if you all are a fan of the Lotto Choco Pie. You all should try the Dark Fantasy. You all will love that too. It's amazing. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing chocolate reviews.